No matter how much you want to relax, life often keeps you on the go. Fortunately, a Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-day programmable thermostat helps save energy when everyone's away and keeps everyone comfortable when home. It's easy to install yourself and is ENERGY STAR certified, helping you save energy with 4 programmable periods per day for every day of the week. You can sync your heating and cooling with your schedule, so you stay cozy any time of day. The Wi-Fi 7-day programmable thermostat also has features like Smart Response, which learns your comfort preferences and home cycles so you enjoy the right temperature all day and night. For hands-free control, it works with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and more. And you can change settings anytime from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. So choose the thermostat that keeps comfort and energy saving simple while keeping up with your lifestyle. Choose the Honeywell Home Wi-Fi 7-day programmable thermostat.